to my channel. Today's look is going to be on a yellow eye look. For quite some time I've been wanting to do makeup looks just with one color, you know, one shade. Recently I did an orange eye look. I want to do a green one, I want to do blue, I want to do like just so many different colors. Okay, there's so many colors I can choose from and I want to do it. So let's get right into this now. So the first thing I'll do is put this headband, because I haven't put this on in a while. I'm going to prime my eyes with the BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer in the number 106. Taking this Wet n Wild brush, dipping it into my RCMA No Color powder, and I'm going to use this to set my eyes. I'm gonna still use this brush right here from Wet n Wild. Don't know the name of it, sorry. I'm dipping into that yellow in the 35B palette, tapping off. I'm going right in to the crease. I'm tilting my head back and leaving my brows regular. I'm not gonna like lift them. Just gonna calm them down and just blend it right into my crease. See, I say my crease, but it always goes like a little bit above my crease, below my crease. And since this is the main color I'm using, this is going everywhere. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush from BH Cosmetics, the number 3 brush, and dip into that yellow shadow again. I really love this brush for the inner corner. It blends it so well. Taking this brush again, I'm gonna keep on building this up and blending back and forth. That dog is just barking away. I want to go out there and be like, hi, baby. I'm going to go in with this shadow right here and apply it to my crease. And I'm using this just to make it a little bit more of a darker yellow, since that yellow is too light for me. And take this brush right here that has no product, blending the two shadows together. Do you hear my birds? Now I'm gonna dip into the yellow in the 35B palette and just go back and forth to blend. Next, I want to use just a little bit of the white corrector. I'm going to apply a little bit on my finger. I think that might be too much, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna take this brush right here from the BH Cosmetics, the number 2 brush. I think this is the eyeshadow just brush, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna take a little bit of this concealer on the top of it. I'm gonna apply this right where I don't have no yellow shadow. The white shadow that's in the 35B palette, I'm just going to set my concealer with it. And I'm using the same brush. And I'm just tapping right on top. Now I am going to go back into the 35B palette, the yellow shadow, and just buff these edges just a little bit. Oh, I'm really liking this. Oh, looks so cute. For primer, I'm going to use this wonderful thing that I received from my BoxyCharm, the Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. Oh crap, I have to wet my sponge. I'll be right back. For foundation, I'm going in with the BH Liquid Foundation. This is Natural Flawless and Ivory Beige. I will be using this foundation brush from BH Cosmetics as well. I'm going to be using the concealer, the Total Coverage Concealer from BH Studio Pro. gonna use the white corrector. I want to just set my face just a little bit. And of course, I'm gonna use the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm gonna take this Crowns brush, just dip into this, especially right around here, where I'm gonna do my bronzer, a little bit under my eyes, my forehead. That's it. To bronze my face, I'm going to go in with the Pacifica Natural Beauty Sun Kissed 100% vegan cruelty-free bronzer. This is the BH Cosmetics brush. This is the Contour Highlight Blush Brush. I know this is to contour, but you know, I'm not gonna be specific with this. Just gonna apply it all over. For blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty. And I received this in my Ipsy bag. To highlight me cheekbones, of course, I'm going to be using the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. I'm going to use the Highlight and Afterglow. It's the middle one right here. I do want to use this Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection Palette. I want to dip into this yellow one right here. Apply some in my inner corner. To contour my nose, I'll be zipping into the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. With this brush from e.l.f., I'm going to dip into the yellow shadow from the 35B palette. And I'm just going to buff that my lower lash line. And now I'm going to use this yellow in this palette and do the same thing. I'm wiping the shadow off of the brush and I'm just going to buff out the edges. I'm going to use this product right here from Cella. And this is for your brows, to highlight under your brows. But I like using this for my lower lash line. And you know, if you don't have a white liner and you have this, you can use this because, sorry, it's a bird up there. If you don't have a white liner, like a white or cream liner, you can use this. I'm going to dip in to the 35B palette and use the white shadow. I'm going to take this angled brush from BH Cosmetics and just pop it right on top so you can set it. For my lashes, I'm going to curl them and then use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So for my lips, I'm going to use the IBY Beauty Lip Liner in Rosebud and then the Cargo Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Taos. To set my face, I'll be using the Project Beauty Spray Set and Go Makeup Setting Spray. And this concludes my video. I hope you enjoy this and yeah, it inspires you to use some yellow and just, you know, just do different things. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like my video, give it a thumbs up down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. And yeah, any questions, comments, whatever the case is, you know to comment below, and I'll see you next time guys. Bye. I want to use yellow in this shadow. What?
Oh my god.
Still looks like my skin face.
What?
Tifa might say, what?